1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, you gotta score. Hurry up. Go in and get it. Oh, no. Score!
Good job.
Daddy scores! No. Hurry up. Do easy. Let me see you check the boards.
A school!
You score! You gotta check Daddy?
Who's winning the game, Tim?
I did.
You did.
You
huh?
got 3 scores.
Where's the puck?
Okay, let's see if
Okay.
you can score again.
No. You put like you straight.
Oh, you want to go straight? Is it 70 style goalie? They can score on anything.
Get her on the side.
Now. No, you put your hockey sticks down.
Why do I gotta put it down?
No, you got to go bowling.
Oh, he's making up his own rules. See?
Oops. Put it on the counter. Just put it on the counter.
Here.
Let's go. Let's see if we can score.
Are you
No.
Are you writing the rule book as you go along, Tim?
Oh, that doesn't go in there.
No, that's
It'll get wet.
yeah.
Put your hockey down.
He's playing golf now.
No,
Here.
Are you
What
gonna
are you doing
golf?
with it?
Put the hockey sticks down. What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Whoops. Oh
That
no.
doesn't stay like that.
Oh, you're hanging on the chair here, Tim. Okay, 1. You're hanging up the hockey sticks for a while?
we
Okay.
can play hockey sticks tomorrow. You got
Okay.
to go bowling.
Where's you gonna go bowling? Okay.